If you're looking to build your chest right there at home using just your own body weight, then today I'm going to take you through a complete follow-along workout that will do just that. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell. Today I'm going to take you through a complete follow-along body weight chest workout. So let's quickly look at the workout structure. Then I'm going to take you through the 3.5-4 minute workout. It's extremely simple but very tough. Make no mistake, this is definitely going to help you build a great looking chest right there at home. So the workout structure is really simple, guys. We're going to do 10 reps using just push-ups. Then you're going to rest 10 seconds, and then you're going to do that 10 times. We call this the GVT workout, which stands for German volume training. So if you're ready, let's get down on the floor in a push-up position, and let me quickly take you through this complete workout and show you how effective it is. So let's get into position, and then we are going to start with 10 push-ups, followed by 10 seconds rest. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then go to the bottom and relax for 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for the second round? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax at the bottom, 10-second recovery. Ready for round 3? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second recovery. Remember, if it's getting too hard now, you can move on to knee push-ups, but try and continue. Ready for round 4? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second recovery. Now it's when you're going to start hurting after around 4, 5. So just try and keep pushing. 10-second recovery. Ready for round 5? Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, halfway through this workout, so only 5 more rounds to go. Make sure you keep pushing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Round 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By now it should start to hurt. If it isn't, you want to start maybe using a more advanced version like decline push-ups, Spider-Man push-ups, band push-ups. Okay, ready for number 7? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 3 more sets to go, guys. It will start to hurt now, but this just proves how effective this really simple workout really is. Ready to go? Let's go. Set 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10-second recovery. Only 2 more to go. Remember, if it gets too much, drop down to your knees, but try and keep strict form all the way to the end. Don't hurt yourself. Let's go. Set number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Only 1 more to go. 10-second recovery. Go all the way down. Make sure you keep strict form all the way to the end. Don't hurt your back. Last one. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. That's your complete workout. So there you go, guys. Super simple, but extremely effective. And if you've done this with me right now, you will feel your chest hurt tomorrow. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this type of workout and you would like to learn how to completely transform your body right there at home using just your own body weight, then you will love my complete home bodyweight body transformation program called the Bodyweight Evolution Express Challenge that provides you with complete follow-along workouts, an eating plan to go with it, a support system, and everything else you'll need to transform your body right there at home. And if you go to bodyweightevo.com today and you use this discount coupon BWEXTRA, Express under checkout page, you can get a massive 60% discount off that product for the next couple of days. So if you enjoy bodyweight training and the type of workouts we did today, and you're looking for a complete system, this might be for you. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Click on that like button. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And remember, keep it simple out there and have fun. Until the next one, bye-bye.